Hello everyone, myself V. Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sakar Engineering College, Pimbaram. In this lecture, we will discuss about the HTML. HTML lists. The objective of this lecture is what are the lists, what are the types of lists, and marquee tags. Here are the lists. Lists are used to collect a group of items. There are three types of lists in HTML: the ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Ordered list. These are those in which the items are arranged in some specific order, means 1, 2, 3, a numerical order, or capital A, B, C, D, or small a, B, C, D, or Roman order. In this list, we can ordering the given elements. The OL order list tag is used to define the order list. Here the attributes are type, start, reversed. Type means we are giving numerical type or alphabetical type, or start means which is the starting number. It specifies about the starting number of order list. And reversed means it can specify the order list with the descending order. Order list example, here HTML in body we are specifying that OL order list of elements we are writing in list li, red, green, blue. It defaultly takes the values of numerical values. If we specifying the type as capital A, then it will give red, green, blue. Unordered list. Unordered list means instead of numbers we are grouping the items based on some symbols. For example, disk, square, cycle. In unordered list, we are specifying by using the tag UL. Defines an unordered list. Here the attribute name is type. We can specify the disk or square or cycle. For example, unordered list li/li, and we can specify the square. Definition list. These are lists of items that having two parts, a term to be defined and the definition. The create list similar to a dictionary. Generally, definition list is defined as DL, definition list. In those we are having the two parts. The first one is the DT. DT means title of the definition, or sometimes we are called as a term to be defined. And DD, data. And here DT tag defines a term or name in a definition list, and DD used to describe a term name in a definition list. Here the example for the definition list, we are giving the definition list of HTML, hypertext markup language, and the CSS cascading style sheets. And finally we are closing the DL tag. Marquee tag. It is used for scrolling images and text in the web page. For notifications, we are using generally markup tags. Attributes, behavior, scroll or slide, alternate. And background color, BG color, RGB, here we are specifying 0 to F values instead of X. And direction, up scrolling, down scrolling, left to right. It defines the direction of schooling the content. Thank you.